You know, when you're in Japan, right, you have to be one of the local. But look at this. This is one of the stops before we reach Chiang Rai. And this is Japanese architectures here. So they have, it's like a lot of Japanese village. You can see this got some area that you can sit and buy some dry fruit. Here they have dates. So this is a date tree. You see a lot of date trees here. So this is a date plantation. Okay. So they are still building, and it has become one of the attraction that people here stop by for photo ops and some sample of the farm products. And this here, what you see here is like it's representing a school in Japan. อันนี้ก็แม่นนักเรียนใหม่เนาะหากมาฮอดมื้อนี้ พอดีเนาะอาจารย์เพิ่นก็รับเอา มาเข้าโรงเรียนเนาะมื้อนี้นักเรียนเนาะทั้ง3นี่พากันเรียนหยังมื้อนี้นะ
อาริกาโต
to Japan in Thailand. This is one of the attraction here. This is bigger than the one we just stopped by. Let's see. Okay. Noki Land. Well, it's a really good place to stop here. You can see it's a replica of structures from Japan. So it's set a Japanese theme here. We have total 6 of us to come in here. The fee that they are charging is 130 baht per person. So my total come out to be about 25 something dollars. Almost $26 for all 6 of us. You know, when you're in Japan, right, you have to be one of the local. But look at this. This is pretty good concept, but you are part of the attraction here. So you pay to get in, you pay to dress. That's pretty nice structure. It's supposed to be a castle. And to the right of that, you see it's a poppy field.